Oh guys, well, one of you asks for this, and there's only one word to explain it. Cutscene. Yes, I made cutscenes. It's actually originally from Monroe, so go subscribe to him. He actually inspired me to make the whole Piggy series. So please subscribe to him because I admire him and I want to be just like him. And you should watch his tutorials because they're just as good as mine. First, what we're going to do is we're going to insert my kit, link in the description. Also subscribe in the description, like inches above from the description. So what we can do with this kit, well actually I've set up a house with a spawn in it. Let's make this King Clyde Falls. And let's just pretend that this is the Piggy house. What we're going to do is we're going to get the door. Doesn't matter because it will select all of these. And we're going to make the transparency to 1. And I'm not sure if you put King Clyde false on it, it will work. You can try that, but I'm good for now. So what we're going to do is we're going to spawn in the house and head over to the door. And you can see the cutscene works perfectly fine. And this is a pretty short video. Subscribe and hit the bell. Whoever commented that thinks I was running out of ideas. It's actually good for my channel. Peace.